analytical balances are essential tools in any laboratory for measuring mass with high precision. It designs to measure small weighing item having maximum capacity 220 grams. Anything larger than that will cause damage. First, consideration is selecting the workspace. Your analytical balance needs to be placed on a steady stable. The balance should not be used near doorways or air vents because it is sensitive enough to be affected by air. Check to see if the balance is level. Adjust the feet unit. The air bubble is inside the black ring. Next, connect the balance to a power supply and turn it on. You need to let it warm up and reach the required operating temperature. Calibration is crucial for accurate measurements. Single press the cal option to do internal calibration. For external calibration, using external calibration, weight press and hold the cal option. Cal internal change to external option. We want to sodium fluoride of 0.4070 gram. To weigh a sample, open the draft shield and place a clean paper. Close the draft shield to prevent air currents from affecting the measurement. Press the tare button to zero the balance. This will subtract the weight of the paper. Carefully add your sample to the container. Once the sample is added, the display will show the precise weight. Next option, count. Put one piece of sample that need to count. Press count key. It will display number of piece. Place the total sample that need to count. Display indicate total number of pieces of sample. Unit key to choose different weighing unit: gram, ounce, grain, troy ounce, carat, milligram. After weighing, clean the pan and the surrounding area to maintain the balance's accuracy and longevity.